Alright guys, I'm back here with this cute little camera, and it's quite obvious and very well explained, like it's self-explanatory pretty much, that you could put the micro SD card in here. This is to charge it. Then you have an on and off button and a mode button. I'm not sure if that works like most other cameras, but we'll find out pretty soon. As far as mounting it, it looks like you just sort of attach it like this, but nothing really seems to click into place, so I think over time this may actually fall off its mount. Aside from that, it looks like you can just clip on, clip off, just similar to the other camera that I reviewed in the past, and it looks like it has a similar mount, allows some sort of wiggle room here. But it does not come with screws, so you have to provide your own screws if you want to attach it to something. And that's all for now. I guess it probably has night vision because it has little lights here. But we'll just have to see how that all turns out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. See you soon.